Hi everyone, my name is Justin and welcome to my course Implementing Predictive Analytics with TensorFlow. I am a mechatronics engineer and am currently an engineering professor at Sheridan College. Prior to this, I have many years of engineering and consulting experience across numerous industries. This course is an intermediate level course for learning the fundamentals of solving data science problems with TensorFlow. So some prior knowledge of TensorFlow and data science basics may be beneficial. Some of the major topics that we will cover include implementing supervised learning systems with TensorFlow, understanding and implementing recommendation learning systems, implementing reinforcement learning systems, and then some further learning and next steps. By the end of this course, you will be proficient in the fundamental techniques required to solve predictive analytics data science problems with TensorFlow. From here, continue your learning by diving into TensorFlow and data science with courses on building classification models with TensorFlow, building regression models with TensorFlow, understanding algorithms for reinforcement learning, and building unsupervised learning models with TensorFlow. I hope you'll join me on this journey to learn TensorFlow and data science fundamentals with the Implementing Predictive Analytics with TensorFlow course at Pluralsight.